how we doing? I'm Jeremy, welcome to the channel if it's the first time you're here. I was at the store, and I usually get a couple of these killers in a can to get me going in the morning, and they'd just gotten these in. They've been out for a little bit, I guess, from what videos I could see, but what caught my attention was the lids on them. They got a resealable lid. It's one of those things where you just kind of pull up here and you slide back. But I was looking inside. I don't know if you can see it or not. I want to see what's inside this thing, so I was going to crack it open. I'm like, well, heck, I'll record it just in case there's something cool in here. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to see what's inside here. I don't know if the camera will get it or not, but it was working upstairs, and I figured I'd give her a shot. It's not working now, so I brought a hook blade just in case. See if I can't try to slice myself open. And there's plastic in there, so it's not cutting real easy. I don't know what the heck's in here. It looks like some kind of plastic seal in there. So hopefully I can get it open quick. The hook blade wasn't working too good. This seems to be working. Oh. I don't know. That's kind of nasty in there. There's probably came off of the lid when I was cutting it. So that's what's inside. So apparently it's just a little seal in there. It looks like it's got a little plastic O-ring in there. Well, not a little, relatively big. It's odd. It's got a little seal. That seems, maybe it might be more cost efficient, but I can't imagine how. I don't know if I have a. There's a soda can here. I can't imagine how that is cheaper to produce than that. But it is convenient that you can reseal it. But these things, when I opened this first one, it's real weird when you first get them, they're sealed right there. But when I opened that first one, it kind of, see how it does that? It like really squirts out. So, but yeah, that's a pretty neat concept. I wonder if it's just something they're gonna keep, or if everybody else. But that's neat how you can reseal it. I need to put these on beer cans. That'd be cool. But still, I come to the conclusion I don't see how that would be cheaper than that. It's weird. Well, anyhow, that's what's inside. Well, I am going back upstairs. It's freezing down here. Stay warm.